We're gonna enjoy our harvest. It's a pity that we got some bugs, but bugs are not gonna prevent us from eating, because we're gonna eat and we're gonna enjoy this. These are really yellow, and if you look on the underside, there's something going on, so I'm not gonna eat these. Let's see, and these underneath have aphids, and this is why looking underneath your leaves is vitally important. I'm actually going to harvest all of these leaves, wash them, and use them in a salad or use them different ways. So I want to keep them. I don't want to lose them because of disease. And the ones that are diseased and have aphids, I'm going to throw them in the garbage. The bugs are on me, I'm telling you. Woo chow. Okay. I'm also gonna harvest the spinach. When harvesting or pruning, be sure to clean your shears with either soap or water and alcohol to make sure you don't, help prevent the spread of disease from one plant to the next. Now I'm gonna trim these Malabar spinach. Now I'm trimming these small ones on the bottom just to make space so that it allows air to flow at the base of the soil of the plant. Like this, I'm gonna just get rid of. Ooh, child. It have all kind of stuff inside here. Look now. Look now. They're troubling my plant. So I'm gonna harvest these two because these still look pretty healthy. Okay. I'm gonna cut this off. And I'm gonna cut this off. And what I've learned is don't be afraid to remove stuff, because removing something that's damaged helps the plant in the long run. And this, what I have here, is basically Castile, a very small amount of Castile soap diluted with water in a spray bottle. Okay. Oh, and we're gonna harvest the bok choy as well. If you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. It's funny, people make jokes about folks who talk to their plants. And yeah, talking to your plants might seem silly, but I think for me, part of that talking to my plant process is actually me coming out and inspecting them and seeing what might be going on with them. Yep. The aphids are out in full force. And because I know they're aphids, oh, look at this one. And that explains why this plant looks the way it does. My skin is crawling right now. This is gross. What I'm going to do is soak these in warm water with a little bit of baking soda to help make sure that I'm getting all of the bugs off before I prepare them. And this actually had companion plants in it. This is green onions. So I don't know why we still have aphids. Because my understanding was, you have green onions, you have no aphids. Boy, was I wrong. All right. And this is really starting to bother me. So I'm gonna just trim this from here. And trim these from here. Yep. There's some weird shit happening. I trim this from here. So, and there's these little black, if I can get in close, these black bugs that are here. I'm gonna have to figure out what they are and how to get rid of them, because I don't know. All of these little things here. And there you have it. Oh God, I think something bit me. I don't know. Maybe I'm panicking. And there you have it. Uh-oh. I've harvested some curly kale, some Malabar spinach, and some bok choy. I have some lamb's quarters that I got from a garden, and I'm going to make a stir fry tonight with some garlic, some onions, some ginger, some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and we're gonna enjoy our harvest. It's a pity that we got some bugs, but bugs are not gonna prevent us from eating, because we're gonna eat and we're gonna enjoy this. And in the meantime, please tell me, what am I doing wrong? What are these bugs, and how the heck do I get rid of them? Because apparently planting garlic and green onion just ain't cutting it. The next time you see me, I'll have food in my mouth. Help!